Britain has a new Prime Minister, a new Chancellor, and within 2 days of taking office, the new government had already announced a tax cut most of you pay every single month. From October, the tax on your electricity bill is dropping from 5% to nothing for 6 months automatically, and you don't have to do anything. And it's not the only move. Pubs, social clubs, and live music venues in England will get a 20% cut to their business rates from next April. Rachel Reeves is out, John Healey is in, and a lot of people are asking one question. Does everything she put in place still apply to you? Some of it yes, some of it not so clear anymore. Let's go through exactly what's locked in, what's changed, and what's still just talk. Right, let's have a look at what's not changing, no matter who's sitting in that office. If you get dividends from shares outside an ISA, once you're above the £500 dividend allowance, the tax rates still apply. And the tax rate went up back in April of this year. Basic rate 10.75% and higher rate 35.75%. That's not changed and that's not going anywhere. Two more that are already law, just not switched on yet. From April 2027, most unused pension pots get pulled into your estate for inheritance tax, and from April 2029, if you sacrifice salary into your pension above £2,000 a year, national insurance starts applying to the bit above that. Now, both of those got royal assent months ago. A new Chancellor doesn't undo an Act of Parliament just by turning up. These three keep running exactly as planned unless a future budget actively reverses them, which nobody's suggesting right now. Right, let's have a look at who's in charge. Who's actually calling the shots on your money? Andy Burnham has recommitted to the existing fiscal rules and to Labour's promise not to raise the main rates of income tax, employee national insurance or VAT. He's also said a wealth tax isn't an immediate priority, and that's not the same as ruled out, just not first in line. John Healey gave his first speech as Chancellor on the 21st of July. His message was fiscal discipline first, and he said he and Burnham are working, quote, in lockstep. What it did not do is set out a wider programme for personal taxes, ISAs or pensions. So right now, the direction is steady as it goes, and the details are still yet to come. Just a quick one, guys. Money Under the Microscope is still a new UK channel. It's just me and a microphone trying to help you make sense of money. If this is helping, please do give us a like and hit the subscribe button to get notified when we release a new video. Much appreciated. Now let's get back to the video. Now, here's what's not settled yet. The cash ISA allowance is due to drop from £20,000 a year to £12,000 for anyone under 65 from April 2027. That was announced at last year's budget, and draft regulations are now out for consultation. But they haven't completed the legislative process yet. Announced isn't the same as law, so watch this space with that one. There's also a proposal floating around, not government policy, just an idea being looked at, to scrap council tax and stamp duty and replace them with a single annual property charge, roughly 0.5% on your home's value a year. It's one option on the table, but again, nothing has been decided. And if you've got a lifetime ISA, pay attention. There's a live consultation right now on a new first-time buyer ISA that would eventually be offered instead of the lifetime ISA to new savers. Existing lifetime ISA holders would be allowed to keep their accounts and continue saving under the current rules. That consultation closes on the 18th of August. Nothing's locked in yet on that one. Oh, and about the autumn budget, no official date has been announced. Don't believe anyone who tells you it's definitely October or definitely November. And the bond market did wobble a little after the reshuffle, but that's investors weighing up how Burnham's spending promises get paid for, not a verdict on Healey himself. So, what do you actually do with all of this? Honestly, nothing dramatic. Keep using this year's ISA allowance exactly as you were. That £12,000 cap doesn't start until next April at the earliest, and even then, it's not even law yet. The electricity saving needs zero effort from you. Your supplier applies it automatically from October. Don't rearrange your finances around a property tax that's just an idea right now. And if you already have a lifetime ISA, don't close it or move your money purely because of these headlines. It carries on under the current rules while the consultation's ongoing. The only real action here is patience. Watch this channel for the budget date the moment it's official, because we'll bring it all to you. So here's the honest recap. Almost everything that applies to your money right now was locked in before Rachel Reeves even left the building. What actually changed with this reshuffle is what might come next. The budget date isn't confirmed. The property tax idea is only a proposal. And while some ISA changes have been announced, the legislation and final details aren't all settled yet. If you want to know the moment any of it becomes real, that's exactly what this channel's for. Subscribe and I'll break down the autumn budget the second there's an actual date, not just a rumour. And let me know in the comments which of these actually affects you the most. That tells me what to dig into next. Thank you again for watching, and as always, see you on the next one.